Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter linear equation in two variable. Today we will solve practice 1.1 question number 2 example number 1. Solve 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, comma a plus 5b is equal to 22. We have to solve this equation by elimination method. Which is the first step? We have to write both equation in general form, but already the both equations are in general form. Therefore we write equation below each other. The equation number 1 is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, and equation second is a plus 5b is equal to 22. Now observe the which variable has its coefficient same. In these two equations, the variable b has the same coefficient. Therefore, we eliminate b. To eliminate b, observe the sign of variable b in these two equations. In this two equation, the variable b has the same sign, and we know that if the eliminating variable have same sign, then we take subtraction of these two equations. Therefore, we subtract equation 2 from 1. That means equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, and equation 2 is a plus 5b is equal to 22. If we subtract equation 2 from 1, we have to change the sign of each term of equation 2. Therefore, plus a becomes as minus a, plus 5b becomes as minus 5b, and plus 22 becomes as minus 22. Here plus 5b and minus 5b cancel out. Therefore we will get 3a minus a is equal to how much? 2a is equal to 26 minus 22 is equal to how much? 4. Now to find the value of a, we have to transfer these two to RHS. Multiply 2 becomes as divide by 2. Therefore dividing by 2 we will get how much? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Therefore a is equal to 2. Now substitute this value of a in equation 1 or 2. We substitute this value in equation number 2. Which is the equation number 2 here? A plus 5b is equal to 22. Now substitute the value of a is 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. To find the value of b, first we transfer these 2 to RHS. Plus 2 becomes as minus 2. 22 minus 2 is nothing but how much? 20. Now to find the value of b, we have to transfer this 5 to RHS. Multiply 5 becomes as divide 5. Then dividing by 5 we will get 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Therefore b is equal to how much? B is equal to 4. Therefore order pair a comma b is equal to the value of a is 2 comma value of b is 4 is the solution of given equation. Now example number 4, solve 5m minus 3n is equal to 19 and m minus 6n is equal to negative 7. The first step, we have to write both equation in general form, but already these two equations are in general form. Therefore equation 1 is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, and equation 2 is m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Then observe in this two equation which variable have same coefficient. The both variable m and n does not have same coefficient. To eliminate m or n, we have to equate the coefficient of m or n, and sign of variable m and sign of variable n in both equation is same. So to eliminate any one variable, we have to take same effort. So we eliminate here n. To eliminate n, we have to equate the coefficient of n. Observe the coefficient of n. The 6 is multiple of 3. Therefore if we multiply 2 to equation 1, then we equate the coefficient of n. इथे लक्षात घ्या, n व्हेरिएबल आपल्याला एलिमिनेट करायचं आहे. त्यासाठी व्हेरिएबल n चे काय करावे लागतील? तुम्हाला कोएफिशिएंट सेम करून घ्यावे लागतील. दिस 6 इज द मल्टिपल ऑफ 3. म्हणजे आपण इक्वेशन 1 ला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केले की n चे कोइफिशियंट सेम होणार आहेत आणि n या व्हेरिएबलचं दोन्हीही इक्वेशन मध्ये सेम साइन आहे. द व्हेरिएबल n हॅज सेम साइन. We know that if the eliminating variable have same sign, then we take subtraction. Therefore equation 1 multiply by 2 minus equation 2. आता इथे काय करायचे पहा, इक्वेशन 1 ला प्रत्येक टर्मला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचे. पहिल्या टर्मला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करा, दुसऱ्या टर्मला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करा आणि 19 ला पण 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करा. We will get 2 5 जार 10m minus 2 3 जार 6n is equal to 19 2 जार 38. Now equation 2 is m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. We have to take subtraction between these two equations. If you subtract the equation 2 from 1, we have to change the sign of each term of equation number 2. Here plus m becomes as minus m, minus 6n becomes as plus 6n, and minus 7 becomes as plus 7. Remember these. Here minus 6n and plus 6n cancel out. Now take subtraction. 10m minus m is equal to how much? 9m is equal to 38 plus 7. 38 plus 7 is nothing but 45. To find the value of m, we have to transfer 9 to RHS. Multiply 9 becomes as divide by 9. Dividing by 9 we will get 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Therefore m is equal to 5. Now substitute this value of m in equation 1 or equation 2. Substituting value of m is equal to 5 in equation number 2. Which is the equation number 2? m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Now replace this m by 5. Therefore 5 minus 6n is equal to minus 7. To find the value of n, but term of n is negative, so first we transfer this negative term to RHS. Minus 6m becomes as plus 6n. We also transfer this negative 7 to RHS. Therefore 5 is remaining. 5 is equal to minus 6n becomes as plus 6n. Now transfer this negative 7 to RHS. Minus 7 becomes as plus 7. 7 plus 5 is nothing but 12. Therefore 6n is equal to 12. Now to find the value of n, transfer this 6 to RHS. Multiply becomes as divide 6. Dividing by 6 we will get 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Therefore n is equal to 2. Therefore ordered pair m comma n is equal to value of m is 5 comma value of n is 2 is the solution of given equation. Now we complete this activity. Solve 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 and 5x minus y is equal to 18. Already these two equations are in general form. Therefore equation 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 and equation 2 is 5x minus y is equal to 18. Here obviously the variable y has opposite sign. Therefore to eliminating variable y, fill the suitably boxes given below. If we have to eliminate y, first we have to equate the coefficient of y. In the coefficient of y is in 2 in the equation 1 and that of 1 is in equation number 2. To equate the coefficient of y, we have to multiply equation 2 by 2. इथे y चे कोएफिशिएंट सेम येण्यासाठी लक्षात घ्या, इक्वेशन 2 ला काय करायला पाहिजे, 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. मग 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणं म्हणजे काय, ईच टर्मला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. सो मल्टिप्लाय इक्वेशन 2 by 2. We will get 5x into 2 minus y into 2 is equal to 18 into 2. We multiply 2 to each terms of equation number 2. Now taking multiplication we will get 5 2s are 10x minus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 18 2s are how much, 36. Now in the equation 1 and 3 the coefficient of y is same, variable y has opposite sign, therefore adding equation 1 and 3. Equation 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 and equation 3 is 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. Equation थर्ड लिहिताना लक्षात घ्या x खाली x ची टर्म, y खाली y ची टर्म आणि कॉन्स्टंट खाली कॉन्स्टंट लिहायचं आहे. त्यासाठी ते बॉक्सेस दिलेले आहेत. नाव if you take addition of these two equation plus 2y and minus 2y cancel out. Now 10x plus 3x is equal to how much? 13x is equal to 29 plus 36 means how much? 65. To find the value of x, we have to transfer this 13 to RHS. Multiply 13 becomes as divide 13. Now dividing by 13 we will get 13 5s are 65, therefore x is equal to 5. Now substitute this value of x in equation number 1. We will get 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. This is the equation number 1. Now replace x by 5, therefore 3 into 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. Now take multiplication, 3 5s are how much? 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. To find the value of 2y, we have to transfer this 15 to RHS. Plus 15 becomes as minus 15. 29 minus 15 is how much? 14. Now to find the value of y, we have to transfer these 2 to RHS. Therefore multiply 2 becomes as divide by 2. Dividing by 2 we will get 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Therefore y is equal to how much? 7. Therefore order pair x comma y is equal to value of x is 5 comma value of y is 7 is the solution of given equation. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, also share this video and like this video. Thank you.